All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. It's been a long time since we've had a video on the channel. I've been super busy. I'll give you guys an update video on what's personally been going on in my life. But for today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are installing track bars over at my buddy's Matt's house. I hope everybody has a great, safe, and wonderful and a fun 4th of July. So here, as you can see, we have these custom to me track bars that we are going to be installing on the Duramax. And one of my good friends powder coated these. I'll have a link down in the description to his Instagram, and then also I'll have a link down in the description if you want to buy these exact same track bars from the guy who made these. Super cool guy, very personal guy. And yeah, I think I messaged him off of Instagram, or maybe the other way around, I don't remember, and we were able to get this done. So let me show you. We have one side completely finished. I'll give you guys a little look at how the bars are going to look on the truck. So as you can see, we'll get a better look at them once we get the truck out of the garage. So pretty much this is what they're going to look like. I think they look freaking amazing. I can't wait to get them out in the daylight. So with that being said, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to assemble the bars, or this bar on the pool table, and then we'll get under the truck and I'll show you what to do next. All right, so the next step is this is the part that goes for the where the U-bolts go. So what you're going to do is the two biggest pieces that come with this supplied kit, just stick them in this joint just like that, this time joint just like that. And then on each side of our bars, we have 6 threads showing like that. So 6 on this side, 6 on that side. And then we'll install this like so. We'll put that through there. And then on the side that Matt's going to be building, we'll do, there's 2 smaller pieces just like this that go into his heim joint. Just like so. These are the bolts that we're going to use to go into the frame, and then this is going to be the bolt that goes straight through here. It's going to go right here. So once we get it all assembled, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have the track bars now completely built, just like that. We had all the hardware, we got everything torqued down, and then once we get the bar secured onto the truck, we'll tighten our nuts right here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take, I don't know if there's enough lighting. We're gonna get under, okay, you can't really see. But anyways, there are 4 U-bolts that you need to loosen, and we're gonna take those loose with my impact. Alright, so as you guys just saw, Matt and I just completed the Extreme CNC Services track bars. I'm super excited. Big shout out to Matt. Thank you for helping me. And as most of you all know, I got everything on the truck is powder coated green, so it's gonna turn out pretty good. I'm excited. I do kind of wish we had a little bit more light to shine on the actual track bars themselves, but they are there, and they serve a good purpose. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. Other than drilling the bars in, that's pretty much the hardest part, is probably drilling the bars in. We'll see what do you say?
Yeah, the hardest part is probably drilling them in. Everything else bolt on.
Yeah, everything else is bolt on.
Right here.
You know, drop the U-bolts.
Drop the U-bolts and align it.
Yeah,
Find
that's
out where it frames up.
Yep, and then like I said, we did 6 threads on the heim joints on each side, so they're perfectly equal on each side. And then boom, he tapped it, and we drilled it, and then we went on our way, and that was it. Other than that, let's see. How long do you think that took us?
Well, if we had the bolts, I'd say it would probably take just an hour.
Yeah, we did have to
if we had the bolts.
Store. We had to buy a couple bolts, which no big deal.
Yeah, with the drill bits and everything, I'd say it would probably be an hour.
Yeah.
Because all you do is you drop the U-bolts, put a new pan on, put it in place, connect everything together, drop the U-bolts, tighten the U-bolts as hard as you can.
Yeah.
Line it up so you know.
We torqued the U-bolts in the rear. We torqued all of our stuff to
and then when it drops to the front, then you're just lining it up and drilling holes.
Let's you got your keys on you?
Yeah.
Let's go over to Matt's truck. Matt has a lot of stuff done to his truck, and I think he definitely deserves a spotlight on the channel.
Well, I had an 06 LBZ. Snapped my crank. It's common for the LBZs, so snapped the crank, had hardware performance, rebuild it for 800 horsepower. Brand new crank, everything internal is brand new. It's pretty much, it's not Frankenstein, it's bulletproofed. It's got all new internals, everything. Head studs, gaskets, brand new cam, everything like that. It's alternating firing cam too, which is even better because the firing order was really bad from factory, so you get an alternating firing cam, it fires in the proper order, a little more balance to it. But brand new motor, and then because the motor had so much power, I had to get a transmission. So I went to Suncoast and I got a Cat 3 Suncoast transmission. I didn't get it rebuilt, I got a brand new transmission from them built for, it can hold up to 1,000 horsepower. So I got all that, and then I got a tune from PPEI, Corey Willis, shout out to him. Helped me out a lot. He hooked me up with a new tune. Right now I'm sitting at about 700 horsepower, hopefully. I haven't dyed it yet because which sucks, I've got a tiny little head gasket problem, so if I floor it, I'm getting overpressurization, but it's fun. We'll crank it.
Yeah, let's crank it up. Let's hear it.
I got the Florence exhaust. I've got the 4G Air Dog lift pump. I've got Exergy 30 over injectors. Let's see what else. I'll just show it. I got WC Fab whole light kit. All this from them. Pretty much everything I can do externally, I've done. The only thing I have left to do is dual CP3. So I can actually run more, and I'll go to about 100 over, and then it'll be a track truck, and then either I'm going to compound turbo it or put a bigger turbo in the back. But otherwise, yeah, 700 horsepower. It's fun and it scares me. And it makes me happy.
So I think one day we should definitely go for a ride on Matt's. You can hear all the fireworks in the background, but I think definitely one day we should go for a ride in Matt's truck. I took it today to the hardware store, and I did a little three-quarter throttle pull, and yeah, it made my truck definitely feel slow, and just kind of like it just makes your hair stick up. And it was just all the adrenaline rush was just there. So anyways, big shout out to Extreme CNC Service for cutting these bars for us, and then big thank you to Matt for helping me install them, and then my powder coater Major League Coatings. We'll have all their links down in the description. If you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, leave this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Yee yee.